If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Meta platforms, and let's go over the patterns that I see on the chart. So it looks like Meta platforms was kind of going sideways right around here before breaking down lower. So it looks like it was finding support right around the 180 level, and the resistance was around the 233 level, which we have definitely broken below recently. So we broke below the sideways price action here and went to a smaller scale sideways price action, as you can see here. And we did have a failed breakout on the top side. How do I know it's a failed breakout? Because we came back inside the sideways action. You see, this is a failed breakout. Prices just came back up to fill in the gaps that were created from the sell-off, and we came back up to test this resistance level that was previous support right around the 180 level. So we broke down, fell inside the range. We did have an earnings report. It looks like it did gap down prices, and we've been hovering around the 160 level ever since. So it's not really doing much. Since we had a breakout on the top side, I'm expecting a breakout on the bottom side because the market is symmetrical. Is that guaranteed? No, but I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of long stops right underneath this price action that most likely the market wants to hit. You can see there's overall a downward bias to this because this was a high point in the stock at the 234 level, and then sometime later we made another high point at the 222 level. So you can see that the high points are getting lower and lower. And now even this recent high point back in July 20th at the 180 level is even lower than the rest. We're making lower highs, and if I connect the swings, you can see that we're probably in this downward channel that's been working lower since April. So prices have this downward bias to it. You can see the EMA is also working down slowly but surely. It's working down. So I don't think this is the bottom. You can also think about as that the S&P 500 had a huge move up, but Meta's really not seeing any of that benefit. So if the S&P 500 went up that much and Meta barely did anything, just wait till you see what happens when the S&P 500 goes down. I mean, this stock can definitely continue much lower. So that's pretty much everything I see on the daily chart. Earnings really didn't do much to the stock. Sometimes that does occur. Sometimes we just kind of trade like a normal day after earnings, just not a lot of volatility. Pretty sure it's just traders not sure what to do right now because we're kind of stuck inside that small orange range that I showed you before. I'll put it back on here. This is pretty much the more recent price action, which will have more validity than the past price action. So we could just continue sideways inside this range, but sooner or later I'm expecting a breakout towards the bottom side. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Also, guys, just a heads up, I will not be making any more videos starting this Saturday all the way probably up to the 14th or 15th until I get back from my trip. So if you guys have any video requests, please save your donation until I get back, unless you would like, unless you want to wait. So let's take a look at the weekly chart from Meta. Again, pretty much 100% retracing back to the 2020 lows. I'm waiting for price action to exceed those 2020 lows just because we're very close to it and we're not really bouncing from these lower price levels. So it looks like buyers do not want to bid up the price. Aggressive buyers do not want to bid up the price. So I'm looking for continuation of the downtrend. I don't think we have bottomed. And you can also see that we're still below the EMA on the weekly chart. So no reversal signs as of right now. Looking for lower price targets. We're kind of just taking a break, but I'm looking for that 137 level to be hit eventually, and maybe even the 123 level depending on how bearish this stock is. But doesn't look good. Looks like we're gonna be continuing pretty low. So I'll give you guys an update probably in a few weeks. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since it might be a surprise on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.